everyone, today we will see how to compress video files. Very large video files are difficult to maintain as they consume a lot of storage in the devices, and also sending large files takes a lot of time. So in this video we will see how to convert a large video to a smaller size without losing the quality. For this we have an app called video compressor. So for this we'll go to Play Store. Then type here video compressor. Then click on this video compressor. These are the features, and it has been rated 3+ and it has 4.5 rating. It is totally free. You can see the rating. Click on install. It will take some time according to your internet speed or Wi-Fi speed. 46% it has been done, almost 51% has been done, 64%. So almost it has been completely done. See, it is almost done. Click open. Click on allow. Here you can see there are two options, compress video and compress photo. So this is my 1.17 GB video. So I'll click on that. You can see here the timing. It is 22.1. You can compress video or cut plus compress. I have chosen compress video. Here you can see the high qualities for outdoor videos that has much details like flowers or anything. I have chosen this custom one. So for 4K video or for slow motion anything, you can choose the custom one. This is best. Here you can do the manual settings. So this is my slow motion video. So I'll keep the resolution to 100%. And for 4K or normal video, you can choose 50% also. I have chosen 750 KB for my video. That is 10%. And after that, I'll compress the video. Here you can see the percentage. Here you can see the location also where it will be saved. So as you can see, it's almost done. It's showing 95%. It has been completed. It is very fast and very easy to use also. You can see it is almost done, and this is the video quality. The size is same but quality doesn't change. It is the same quality with 120 MB.